I want to give you 3 tips on how to build legacy beyond burnout. Number 1, redefine your success. If you're a high-level entrepreneur, a higher-level CEO, and you have great levels of success, early on you learn the principle of hustle. Work hard, work those 60 hours, and that is what caused you to become successful. But I want you to redefine what success looks like. It's bigger than just revenues. Sometimes success looks like spending more time with your family, going on a vacation, being able to see your team work and be successful without you. So number 1, redefine what success looks like. Number 2, protect your greatest asset. Your greatest asset is you. Sometimes we don't take time to work on ourselves, take vacations, recalibrate, and reset. So the greatest thing that you can do for your organization, for your business that you've grown to a great level, is to protect you. If you're not happy, if you're not healthy, and if you're not whole, you can't help anyone within the organization from a place where you're fractured and broken. So protect your greatest asset, which is you. And number 3, build systems that outlive you. You don't want to have an organization that you can't step away from for 2 hours. You have to create an organization and ultimately systems in which you can step away for a vacation for a week, 2 weeks, or even a month. Many of you are so ingrained into the DNA of your business that you can't step away. And as a result, when you do step away, things become fractured and they begin to fall apart. But there is a way that you can create systems that you can step away, and ultimately systems that actually can build a legacy that outlives you. So even when you step away from the organization, it still is going up in a positive direction. Listen, if you are a CEO, a high-level CEO that wants to go from survival to significance and ultimately be able to step away from your business and really be able to gain the life that you've always dreamed, which is freedom, and which is happiness, which is significance, you should give me a call. Click the link below and we can set up a call where we can take you from where you are, maybe a place of burnout, to a place of significance and happiness again.